For number 17, it tells me that the whole arc ABC, so this arc right here, is 240 degrees. Now, I know that a whole circle is 360, so I can do 360 minus 240 to find this arc right here, which means this arc would be 120 degrees. It's telling me to find the measure of this angle and this angle. So both of those angles lead to that arc. I just need to know the difference between a central angle and an inscribed angle. So a central angle will always be the same thing as that arc. So if the arc is 120, this angle right here will be 120 as well. Then from there, the angle that is inscribed or has a vertex on the edge of the circle, it'll always be half of whatever that arc is. Remember, this is going to be an ice cream cone situation where you have more ice cream at the top, less at the bottom, so you'll need to divide by 2. So that means that this angle right here must be 60 degrees. And that's it. Now we can look at number 18. For number 18, it looks like there's a lot going on, but it's actually just 2 problems going on at once. So whenever you have a inscribed quadrilateral, or something with 4 sides inside a circle, the opposite angles are going to be supplementary, or, in other words, they need to add up to 180. So 80 plus 4x equals 180. And then I'll solve from there. Same thing on the other side. These angles are opposite, so I can add them together and set them equal to 180. So from there, if I subtract 80, sorry, I didn't leave myself a lot of room. So I've got 4x equals 100, divide by 4, and x equals 25. So it's telling me that I need to solve for x, y, and the measure of angle C. The measure of angle C uses y, so I can't do anything from here. I'll go ahead and solve for y and then continue on. So 3y plus 2y, that's 5y, minus 20 equals 180. I'll add 20 to both sides to cancel out and try to get y by itself. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. Then I have 5y equals 200. I'll divide by 5, and y equals 40. So I've solved for x, I've solved for y, but I now need to solve for the measure of angle C. So the measure of angle C, it tells me that C is 2y minus 20. So the measure of angle C equals 2 times y, but we said y was 40, so I'm just going to plug it in. And then subtract 20. So 2 times 40 is 80. 80 minus 20 is 60 degrees.